Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass, country bass. Yeah, I'm stacking them, yeah, yeah. Riding with country bass.
Yo, yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in yet again, and it is Sunday. And I hope you've been stacking your Bitcoin and chilling. I have really bad connection where I'm at now. However, still gonna do this live stream and get you guys the info and the data that I want to share with you guys. So we're gonna jump into the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin prices per usual. Hopefully everything is a-okay and you guys can hear me. Looks like we are doing a-okay and that you guys can hear me. So, of course, it's been a lot going on over the last few days. We got fanboy Elon Musk jumping, looking like a damn fool on stage with Trump. We got hurricanes coming back to back here in Florida. We got Bitcoin on a discount. And we got the DXY acting like the DXY, right? So that's the first thing we're going to jump into first is the DXY because a few days ago, whenever my last stream was, or a few streams ago, I told you guys that, hey, if usually anytime we come down to this level, we usually bounce, and that's exactly what happened. And we did break this trend line here. So as you can see, we did head higher. We are headed higher, but hopefully we can retrace and come back down to and come back down to the 101.87 dollar level. We have the market cipher showing that we do have strength. We have money flow coming in. So we'll see how this goes. October, still have faith in October if you still have faith in October, leave a comment, leave a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on X, hit that like button for me. And again, we are watching what's going on with these hurricanes, watching what's going on with the charts, with the Bitcoin prices, all that good stuff. Of course. So let's continue here. So this is the DXY again. Assets are going to go lower if this goes higher, and typically assets go higher when DXY or the dollar goes down lower. So that is your DXY update. Let's check out BTC USD. We're going to check out Coinbase here. So looking at Coinbase, we do have a pretty cluttered chart here. So let me clear this out for you guys. As you can see here, we are making a higher low and a higher low, which is great. I did have a trend line here that I did draw. Let's see if that's there. No, it's not on this chart. It's on my other chart. It's on the BTC USD. It's on the Bybit chart because I have Bybit, even though I'm a U.S. Even though I'm a U.S. I'm not a national. I mean, not a citizen, but a national. BTC USD. All right, here goes the trend line that I drew a while ago that you guys already saw. We were riding that trend line, and as soon as we came up to this resistance level here, try to break once, came down lower, came down, and we had the red diamond along with the red dots here showing high, another red dot at a lower point. That is your point to, if you are trading, to get out and just be careful. Or just look out for, lower price at the DCA. So as you can see here, 60,000 was our support level. Had another support here at around 60,600, and then we headed higher. So once we broke this trend line, like I said, we just started to head down lower, found support here, and we should head higher. I did draw some fibs here for the Discord. Draw it here for you guys as well. So next stop is 64,000 is my target level here. So 64,000 from here would be about, maybe pull back halfway. So about 2%, you do a 30x long, 60%. 60% of 1,000 is 600. So that's an opportunity for you guys. But just be on the lookout for that. We are looking strong on the 4-hour for Bitcoin. Looking at the 2-hour, looking pretty good. We got the green dot here at 4 o'clock this morning. Pumping a little bit. Let's look at the 1-hour. Looks like we're going to head down. So it wouldn't surprise me if we head down just a little bit lower. Maybe touch a few of these support levels if we break them. So next level of support, 62,365. If we break that, we have a support here at 62. Break that, 61.6. Break that. We're going to head down lower, which I don't think we will do. So just be on the lookout for that. Now, that is the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin price. Did we look at the daily? Excuse me. We didn't look at the daily, but here we are looking at the daily. We can see here, even on the trend line on the daily, broke it, headed down, caught the support. We have a green dot here on the daily, so that is good. Let's look at the weekly. Whew, not looking too good on the weekly. Still flagging, which the flag target is. Flag or a trend? I think that's a trend line. It's not a flag. It is flagging, but I didn't draw a flag. It is flagging, but I didn't draw a flag. All right, so this is your weekly. We are curving on the VWAP, but we do have a green dot here, so maybe bounce. We'll see what this week brings. Hopefully we can continue to head higher. We shall see. We shall see. All right, so that's it for the Bitcoin price. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that like, share, subscribe for me. If you're watching on X, hit that like button for me as well. We are going to jump into some tweets here real quick, and that's going to be it for today's video. We'll also jump into DXY. Let me just refresh this, make sure everything is good. All right, everything is good. All right, if you guys do need help with, information with personal credit, business credit, investing in general, Bitcoin, how to make money with real strategic planning and real action, send me a DM or just check out the services that I have here. Make sure you guys head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris to get $10 free Bitcoin. Make sure you guys head over to bitcoin.fiatdad.com as well. Get your Bitcoin merch and pre-order my new book as well. So here's Bitcoin, swanbitcoin.com. Get your $10 free. All right, download the app. Again, use my link to get $10 free. Start the automatic DCA. Bitcoin.fiatdad.com. Learn a little bit more about me and my book, and also you guys can purchase some merch. Wintertime is coming, so make sure you guys get your Bitcoin hoodies. These are huge bees right on the center, and I love these hoodies, so make sure you guys get some hoodies. All right, so let's continue. We'll also jump into Coin Glass here before we end the stream. All right, where are the tweets? Where are the tweets that I want to go over with you guys? Just make sure you guys invest if you can. People are able to teach you more than what you better and more than what you'll learn at a college, especially here in 2024. You guys are trying to do things from the 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s, even the 90s and early 2000s. I guess this is a little bit better than it is now, but we're in a whole new world. So, 5 to 10K for mentorship or to learn a skill or a business, to learn how to start a business is very beneficial, but most people would rather go to college to learn from a professor, business from a professor that doesn't own a business, to end up out of school in debt and no real business experience from somebody who's never had a business. And also, most people go to school for the degree, right? They go to school for a certain degree or a certain career, and they get out of school and they don't get a job in that career, and they're super loaded with student loan debt. So I digress with that. Don't forget that there are several lawsuits and class action cases against these banks that fraud us every day. So just be aware of what's going on. A lot of people are not familiar with what the fraudulent things that the banks are doing. So make sure that you are aware and that you are educated on what the banks are doing, so you don't sit here and stick up for the banks when they're literally robbing you blind. So that's the banks for you. All right, so we do have another storm headed over to Tampa, or headed to Florida in general. It's huge. This would be the second hit for Tampa, so shouts out to Tampa, prayers out for Tampa and the whole west coast of Florida. And I just asked, what has Florida been doing for us to get hit like this? Who knows? All right, let's jump into the fanboy here. It's y'all fanboy here, man. I used to rock with Elon, but not, I can't be putting people on pedestals like that. They're human just like me and you. They make mistakes. So just, chill out with the fanboy stuff, okay, guys? Chill out with the fanboy stuff, okay, guys? All right, so here's that hurricane, Milton. So, yeah, we're pretty much going to get hit with that. So just be careful if you're here in Florida. Stack up and find out what's going on, and just pay attention to what's going on. So Bitcoin 250,000 looking like is the next range. Whether or not we come up and bounce and then head down or up. So shout out to Samsung. Make sure you guys check out the Aqua wallet. And let's see, any other tweets that you guys are seeing that I'm not going over, just go and check them out. for yourself. All right, let's jump into Coin Glass real quick before we end the stream. All right, every time I go on here and show you guys what's going on with the heat map and the liquidation maps and the liquidation, it definitely be playing out exactly as predicted. So here we're gonna go to 30 days out. We have a ton of shorts here to be liquidated at 34 million, I'm sorry, at 55,000. 2.74 billion shorts at 55,000. However, shorts are getting a little greedy here, and we're looking like, okay, it's about 2.9 to 2.6. So here we have more shorts than longs. We have 69,000 as the liquidation level for $2.9 billion, almost $3 billion in shorts. So we're going to see how that plays out. So just be careful. If people are over here with 100x leverage, this doesn't make any sense. 50x leverage, 25. 5x. Why are people doing? Look at this. This is ridiculous. I never really paid attention to these lines. People are really out here doing 100x leverage. Y'all are fucking stupid. Excuse my French. I'm trying not to curse anymore. But y'all are stupid, yo. That is straight up stupid. 100x leverage, 50x leverage. There's more 100x leverages. Who in their right mind goes 100x? You guys got issues. You guys got real issues. All right. Straight out here. All right, so that is, what is this? This is, that was just Binance. So just on Binance alone, this is why people are degens on Binance. That makes sense. So that was for Binance stats. 2 billion on the 2.69 billion on the short side or long side, and then 2.9 billion on the long side. Here is the overall by the exchanges. All right, so here we got 6 billion at 69. And we got 7 billion at 54. Almost 8 billion. All right, guys. So this means bias is looking to head down lower. So we could come down before we head higher based on what I'm seeing here. This could happen. This could not happen. We shall see. But 54, we got almost 8 billion. And then we have higher. If we had higher, we only have 6 billion. So, market manipulators love to play games and love to snatch liquidity but in both directions. So if you're trading, don't be like these, clowns up here with 50x and 100x leverage. Please don't. 30x leverage is probably like 35 is the max for me. 35 is max. Maybe even 44x leverage, which is crazy. Even saying that, but clearly people are doing way higher leverage than that. So just be careful. Let's jump into Bitcoin on exchanges, see if that's gone, where that's been since the last time that we checked it out. All right, let's check this out. And we're continuing to head lower. Look at that. Cool. Still heading lower. So Bitcoin continues to leave exchanges as the price continues to increase. So just be aware of what's going on. All right, that's pretty much all I wanted to look at here. A lot of people use this heat map model, which I used to do, but now everybody and their mama does it. So I try not to do what everybody and their mama does, because I didn't see really too many people using this at all. Now I see everybody using it. So, when you follow the sheep, you get slaughtered. So try to be your own. Try to be your own person and do your own thing. But since we're here, I'll look at it for you guys. So it's just basically showing you the visualization of everything that I just went over on the other chart. So again, liquidation level down here. We just saw that. And liquidations up here. Is that model 2 or model 1? I don't know how to read this particular data. You can only go back one day. Okay. Here's a CME data, all that good stuff. I don't even care about the CME data, but some people do. I don't pay attention to any of this. But any data is good data, right? Good information is always great to have. Leveraged funds, we got 13,616 leveraged funds short. So open interest shorts 27, it's higher, about equal, non-reportable. Can we please blow up these shorts? Please blow up these clowns. Blow them up, please. Blow them out of their positions, please. All right, so that's it for today's video. Bitcoin, just be on the lookout for that. Again, we are looking like maybe a slight pullback before headed higher, especially since tonight, probably around 6 o'clock. Probably see some action around 6 o'clock tonight. We shall see. Join the Discord. Click the link in the descriptions for my link tree to join or check out any of the services or offers that I provide. If you're new to the space, just stack your Bitcoin and chill. Don't worry about the price action if you're looking at it in the long term. You're going to be, getting a little mining rig set up. So I'm going to do a little mining rig, solo mining rig at the crib. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, waiting for this to load. Didn't load. Click the link in the bio. My internet is crazy, like I've stated previously, so forgive me. But with that being said, all my services, anything I can help you guys out with, just click that link in the bio. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. Hit that like, share, subscribe. If you're watching on X, hit that like button. Don't worry about these short-term price fluctuations, because just the other day, it feels like Bitcoin was only 15,000, 10,000, 5,000, and now we're at 60,000. So I do have some other tweets that I was going to go over, but I'm not going to go over that here now. If you are interested in the Bitcoin Masterclass, we do have that available for the newbies, because I already know that once Bitcoin starts pumping, everybody and their mom's going to be like, oh my God, what about Bitcoin? What wallet do I use? What is Bitcoin? What should I do? Where should I buy? The same questions from last cycle. So instead of, me doing it, which I've already done on Clubhouse, I'm going to record pretty much everything that I can and enter that into the masterclass. And that way you'll have it, and you'll have forever access to the Bitcoin Masterclass. So if you guys are interested in that, get that. If you're interested in repairing your credit on your own or hire us to do it, click these links. Get your fold card. If you're going to pay bills anyway, might as well get Bitcoin back. Boss Moves book. Please get that book if you're a business owner. If you are in real estate, we have private money lending available for you guys. If you're wanting to use Bing X, oh yeah, let me tell you guys about this ID. The ID real quick. So I have this Paulo ID, and the ID allows you to trade on different exchanges. So if you are interested in that, I'm pretty sure. Let me just go to the website. There it is. The link will be down in the description if you are interested in trading. Don't over leverage. Oh, I'm not on my VPN. There it is. You get your ID. It is 250. However, it will allow you to trade on Bing X and Bybit, and you can pass KYC. This way, you're able to trade and make some money. So, with that being said, make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe for me. Much love to you guys. Bitcoin Chris checking out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Sunday, and I'll make sure to go stream. I'll make sure to stream tomorrow as well. Make sure I give you guys the updates and just try to be more consistent now that I have more time to do so. Much love. God loves you. I love you. Bitcoin Chris checking out.